Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Progressive Learners, which is a one-stop destination for your educational videos. Today we'll be starting with mathematics, and let's start with the first topic without wasting any further time. Today's lecture is going to focus on part B of the number system. In the part B, we shall be studying how to find out the value of digits. When you are supposed to find the value of digits, you should know that there are two types of values basically which are asked. The first being the face value and the next one being the place value. The face value, you can remember it in this way, is nothing but the actual value of that particular number, whereas the place value has to do something with the allotment of the place in the number. Okay, so let's understand with an example. You will understand it when I give you an example. Before that, I'll just write it down. This is nothing but the real value, and this is according to place. Now I'll give you some examples to make you understand it in a better manner. Example, if I ask you to find out the place value and the face value of numbers. So find the place value and face value of the underlying digits. So now let's try to find out the place value and the face value. If I give you one example so that we can just begin with a simple one. I take the number 9, 2, 3, 4, 7. In this number, say I have underlined the number 3. So now what will be the place value? What will be the face value? So let's write down. First we'll write down the face value. As you know children, face value is nothing but the real value. So the real value of 3 is always going to remain 3. So the face value remains 3. But now what about the place value? Let's see what is the placement of 3 in this entire number. This is the units place. This is the tens place. This is the hundreds place. We see that the number 3 is placed in the hundreds place. So accordingly its place value is going to be changed. Okay, its face value is 3 but its place value is going to change. Now because 3 is in the hundreds place, we know that hundreds is expressed as 10 raised to the power 2. So we'll have two zeros over here, that is 3 digits. Okay, so the place value of 3 over here turns out to be 300, whereas the face value turns out to be 3. So I hope you have understood from this example. Now let's understand certain other examples. You can see the question on the right hand side of the window. The question says, what is the difference between the place value and the face value of 5 in the number 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So they have asked the difference between the face value and place value of this number, that is 5. So let's start. We shall start by writing down the place value and the face value of them. So here the face value remains 5, but the place value is going to be what? So we'll just determine the position. This is units, tens, hundreds, and this is thousands. So here the place value is going to be 5,000. So obviously let's look in our options which are given below. We have the first option as 4,995. The second option is given to us as 4,990. The third option says 4,880, whereas the the third option says 4,980, whereas the fourth option gives us 5,000. Now, they have asked for the difference. So, difference nothing means 5,000 minus 5. This is a very easy calculation for us. It is going to be 4,995. So, option A is your correct answer. I hope this is understood. Now, let's move on to another example. Example number 3. The question says in the number 98739246, find the sum of the place values of both the 9s. Now let's write down the number. It's 98739246. Now as you can see, there are two 9s over here. So one 9 over here, one 9 over here. They have asked what is the sum of the place values. So we need to have two place values over here. So I'll write down place value 1 and this is place value 2. Now place value 1, place value 2. Let's look at the first number, that is the first digit, that is 9. This is units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and this is crores. Now, let's look at the value. This is going to be in crores. So, crores is 10 raised to the power 7. So, obviously, this is going to be 9 and then further your zeros, that is 7 zeros. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The next one belongs to the thousands place. So, thousands place is going to have 3 zeros. So, let's write it down 1, 2, 3. They have asked for the sum, and my dear children, when the word sum is used, you should understand it is addition. So obviously the addition over here will give you 9 crores and 9,000. So this is going to be my answer. So let's see where this is in the options. So we see that option number 2 gives us the required sum. So this is going to be our answer. So the option over here is option 2. Sorry, the option A, instead of A, we write it as 1. Okay. Now, let's move ahead. The next and the last example for today, so that you understand quite well as what we need to find out and how we need to find out. Okay. The last question says, find the sum of the face values of all the 8s in the number 8, 7, 3, 8, 8, 2, 4, 3. So this is your number. Let's find out how many 8s are there, because they have asked all the 8s. So 1, 2 and 3. Let's give them individual places. This is units. This is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This is going to be lakhs, 10 lakhs, and this is going to be your crores. Now, if you have to find out the place value, you need to have these digits. But children, in the question they have asked face value. So to find out the face value, we have already seen that face value is nothing but the real value. So 8 plus 8 plus 8. So this is going to give me the answer as 24. Let's see in which option do we have it as 24. We have option 2. Okay. So here again option 2 is our answer. So I hope you all have understood how to find the place value and the face value of the digits. Repeat it again for you all. Place value is nothing but the actual or the real value, whereas the face value is according to your place. If you have liked today's video, please hit the like and the subscribe button. If there are any comments, please leave them down in the comment box. All your comments are valuable to me and they'll be appreciated. Stay tuned to the next video for number system. Thank you.